So it's holiday season and I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick festive holiday look featuring all Sephora Collection. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it gives a little bit of sparkle. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna be starting with the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I love this for a smooth base. I'm using shade 29N, and then I'm gonna be using the foundation brush. This is just covering up any redness that I have. My skin has been acting pretty crazy lately, but we're gonna get it together. Look at how smooth that is. Next, I'm gonna be using this liquid blush. This is the Blush and Go. I love holiday time. This time always reminds me of my family. We never spend a single holiday apart. One of my favorite holiday memories is when me and my brother got caught looking through Christmas gifts. My parents left, and my brother, he was probably like 10 at this time. Ooh, this is really pretty. And he convinced me, peer pressured me to go in the closet and look at the unopened gifts. And my little sister was like in the room like, oh my God, what are they doing? They're so terrible. And then once my parents got home, she was literally standing there like pointing at us like, look what they did, and snitched on us. And I will never forget it. We always talk about it at the Christmas dinner table. This blends so pretty. I like to blend it a little bit close up to my eye. And then once I put the concealer on top, it's gonna eat. Next, I'm using the Best Skin Ever concealer. It gives me the perfect amount of coverage and it's really easy to blend. I'm using shade 14Y, and I'm using the Sephora No. 2 concealer brush. Using a brush to conceal upped my makeup game times 10. My mom, she loves Christmas, she loves the holidays, she loves a surprise. I think now that I've been getting more into beauty, she's been a lot more curious about different products she can use. She asked me about, oh, what blush is that? Like, I've never tried that. We have like the same skin complexion, and she's a girly girl like I am. These products are definitely super giftable for any woman in my life. My mom, my best friend. Sephora Collection has something for all of them. Next, I'm going to be using the Fluff and Fix Brow Wax. My eyebrows are one of my favorite accessories. A little bit of gel, and this one is perfect. It leaves my brows intact, in place, and gives them that nice laminated look that we all love. Now we're about to get into some eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is like the most important part when it comes to a holiday look. We're gonna prep our lids with a little bit of that concealer. This is gonna make sure that the eyeshadow goes on nice and smooth and you get the most out of your color payout. Now we're ready for some eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Sephora Mega Mix palette. This comes with a bunch of different shades. I love this, and you can like swap out the different palettes to create your perfect palette. So for this look, I'm gonna be using 3 different shadows. I'm gonna go in with this brown in my crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this light beige color in my inner corner just to brighten it up a bit. And then of course, we're gonna go in with some shimmery champagne. Ooh, this is so pretty, and it screams holiday. Okay, so now that that's on my inner corner, I'm just gonna go and blend out the edges just a little bit more, and that's it. So simple. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of blush and bronzer. I'm using this palette. So pretty. This is gonna be my bronzer color. I'm gonna tap a little bit on the brush, not too much, and just apply that under my cheekbones just to warm my face up a little bit. And now for one of my favorite parts. I wasn't a blush girly for a long time, but I'm finally getting into it and I'm obsessed. So I'm using this shade right here. For me, a holiday look is not complete without a nice pinky blush. And to set everything, I'm using the Sephora Makeup Setting Spray. This is just tying everything together, but it's supposed to be good for long-lasting makeup, and that is perfect for the holidays, so that's exactly what I need. No holiday look is complete without a nice red lip, and this is probably the only time that I wear one. It just gives something different and gives bold, it gives festive, it gives holiday. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Collection lip liner first. This one is in muted brown. And now for the star of the show, I'm using the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain. This is in the shade 94. This is a nice deep berry. Gotta be careful with this one because the color payoff is insane. So just make sure that you're applying it where it needs to go. And yes, I feel so pretty. It goes on nice and smooth. And even though it's a cream lip stain, it still feels very comfortable on the lips. It's not too dry, and it'll last all night for your holiday party. Get into it.